Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm working on a picture, something for display for spring/Easter, and I'm using a Dollar Tree canvas. I'm using one of these, the canvas panels, picked up from Dollar Tree a while ago. I took some Maggie Holmes papers from the paper pad, the Bloom collection, covered the canvas with some Mod Podge, and this is the sheet I used. I just cut it out and pasted it on there. Okay, so I also used some Google Images, and you just go on Google and type in Easter Bunny clip art, or what is it called, vintage Easter Bunny pictures or images, and you can select from there. So that's what I did. So I had to glue this onto some heavier weight paper, so cardstock, and this is the image I chose. I don't remember the artist or the link, but that's how big it is. It's about, I want to say about 5 inches. And that's how I glued it on there. I didn't put decoupage on the top. The decoupage that I did use was not decoupage, Mod Podge, was the matte finish from Dollar Tree. Okay. So now that I got it all cut out, I want to raise it up a little bit away from my artist board. I just have some scrap foam once again from Dollar Tree, and I'm not gonna put it under the whole bunny, but you'll set a piece off and just use it like strips, a few straight lines. I'm not trying to cut the whole thing all the way through. I'm just going lightly. I'm letting my knife do the work, all the work. Okay. And I think I'm just gonna do, oops, or maybe 3. Okay. Guys, there's that, and look at that. Gives that good dimension that we want all the way around. Now I gotta work fast. Super cute. Isn't that cute? I think it's adorable. Look at that. Love the dimension on there. Okay, so I cut out some florals from another Maggie Holmes Bloom sheet. So I cut all the yellow, well, not all, but what I wanted to put on my picture. And then I cut one of the banners out. So I used my pointy scissors and I'm just going to use the hot glue. Just like that. And what I'll do is trim the rest off. Just like that. And it should hold. Don't need a lot. Okay. And I might trim the fringe on that. We'll see. So our bunny is down, our banner is down. Just giving it some shadowing effect, I guess. I guess it's okay. Getting all over my fingers. I just want it to stand out from the background a little bit. Just grabbing a sponge and see if this will see if I can get around the bunny. Oh yeah. There you go. Much better. Cute little bunny. That helped bring it all together. Look at that. Cute little bunny. I feel like it's missing some color up there, so I might add a rose or yellow bud. There we go. There we go. So that's what I have for now, and I want to add like some banner or something to give it some pretty stuff. I don't know. Let me see. I think we're going to stay with this guy right here. I think he's cute. Okay guys, so I found another page in the collection and it has cut-aparts. And I found one of the banners. I think that would be so cute right there. Like that. Just like that. Lift up corners. Just going to trim my tearaway edge. Put some flag tails. And put this up. Put this up. There you go. Looks like that. Okay. Pop dot here. Okay. Putting the pop dots on, or the foam tape. And going to just use, I'm not going to add hot glue to this one. That is much better.